Okay, so today's presentation is on how to reduce eye strain when using technology. So first off, what even is eye strain? So eye strain is tiredness in the eyes after using them for too long, intense periods of time. It can occur from using the computer for long periods of time, driving, reading, or being exposed to bright light and glare. Eye strain can cause headaches, tired eyes, blurred vision, and discomfort. So the topic of our presentation again are strategies to avoid this eye strain. Okay, so the first tip is to minimize glare. So glare reflecting off of computer screens, walls, and nearby surfaces can cause bad eye strain. There are many ways to reduce glare on the computer screen. You could consider purchasing products that have anti-glare screens built into them, so maybe a monitor or a laptop that has this built in. You could paint your walls a matte color or something that's like more dull that won't reflect too much light. Or you can also invest in glasses with anti-reflective coating. Our second tip is to adjust computer brightness. If the computer screen is much brighter or darker than the lighting in the room, it increases eye strain. You should try to match the brightness of the computer to the light in the room. And some products out there will automatically do this for you. So I know some iPhones have this thing called True Tone, which will automatically adjust your screen's brightness to the environment you are in. Our third tip is to just avoid blue light. So blue light is light from the screens that surround us and that we use, and they can come from many different devices. We can configure our screens to avoid blue light on Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac devices. And blue light can cause eye strain and insomnia when using your smartphone or computer before bed. So that is why we usually say to avoid using your devices before sleeping. So how would you change the amount of blue light on a device? So most um, smart devices have an option to reduce blue light in the settings of the device. And they are usually called night light or night shift, depending on your platform. And these settings usually have a schedule that you can turn on that will automatically turn on the filter at like sunset, and it'll automatically turn off at like wait, sunrise. Yeah. So how would you do this on Android? So for this example, you can see screenshots of a Samsung device. So in your settings, you would go to Screen, Blue Light Filter, then Toggle On. Some phones will allow you to activate night mode, which makes the screen lighting turn warm at night. iOS. On an iPhone or iPad, you can adjust the blue light before activating night shift mode. You can program the start and end time of the night shift or activate it manually and choose whether you want the light to be warmer or cooler in tone. And if you choose a warmer tone, it'll affect the colors that you see, but it'll block out like more blue light. Windows, and this is for Windows 10. And you would access the night light, which is what it's called, by going to settings, then display, then night light. And you can use the slider to control the screen light intensity from 0, which is the coolest, to 100, which is the warmest. Mac. For Apple computers, you can also enter night shift mode by going to System Preferences, Displays, then Night Shift. Our fourth tip is to blink more often. When people are looking at a computer screen or a mobile device for a long period of time, they usually blink less frequently than they should. When people don't blink often enough, their eyes get drier, which causes eye strain. Our fifth tip is to take frequent breaks and eye exercises. So, taking a short break from looking at the computer every 15 to 20 minutes can help reduce eye strain. During this break, a good way to help reduce eye strain is to look at a far away object. And this break should last at least 20 seconds but can also be longer. And you may have heard of this rule called the 20-20 rule. So it's telling you to every 20 minutes look at an object 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. Visual exercises. The first exercise you can do is the figure 8. And this exercise consists of relaxing while watching with your head still as your index finger draws a figure 8 in the air. It is important to perform this exercise very slowly while trying to relax your breath. The key to success from this exercise is consistency, which is why it is recommended to be included in daily routines. The second exercise is the circular massage. So for this massage, you would close your eyes, then you place your fingertips at an inch above the eyebrows and make gentle circles for a few seconds. The massage can be continued by stretching the eyebrows with the hands from the inside and out. The third exercise is palming. So for this one, you would place your elbows on a table or desk, then bring your fingers together, flexing them so that they simulate a shell. Cover your eyes with your hands and move them gently in circles without exerting pressure. Our sixth tip is to modify computer setups. So make sure that your computer is a good distance from your eyes and is at a good height. The computer screen should be around 20 inches or an arm's length away from your eyes. The middle of the screen should be around 20 degrees below eye level to reduce eye strain. Our seventh tip is to take or keep papers the same distance from you as the computer screen. If you're alternating from looking at a paper to the computer screen, make sure they're the same distance from your eyes. Put paper or any other object you're looking at frequently next to the computer. This will stop your eyes from constantly refocusing on an object from a different distance. Our eighth tip is to increase text size. If the text on your computer screen is too small, your eyes will have to work harder to read it, which can cause eye strain. Increasing the text size will make it easier on your eyes. You can also change the size of text on the display within the computer's settings. This setting is usually under Display, which is also where you'll usually find the nightlight or blue light filter. Our final tip is to use computer glasses. Computer glasses can help you to see the computer better without straining your eyes. Computers are at a further distance from your eyes than normal reading, so your eyes will often have to work harder to see the screen. Computer glasses will make it easier to read what is on the screen. So where would you get these computer glasses? To get good computer glasses, it's a good idea to go to your optometrist to get a proper prescription and glasses that will suit your needs. These glasses will block out blue light and make it easier to see the computer screen. Using computer glasses. So computers, as we know, produce lots of blue light, which is a big cause of eye strain. Blue light can also make it harder to fall asleep if there's a lot of it in the evening. Certain computer glasses will block out this blue light from the computer screen, and this can ultimately improve your sleep and reduce eye strain. So some other places you can get these blue light glasses or computer glasses aside from your glasses or your doctors would be online at warbyparker.com. So they offer prescription and non-prescription lenses that block out blue light, and they offer a wide variety of styles of frames to suit your own personal preferences. Another site we could visit is gunner.com, and they also offer a wide variety of prescription and non-prescription computer glasses that block out blue light. Adapting to the new glasses. When deciding to new glasses in general, keep in mind it can take it can take some time to accustom yourself to them. You may not be able to see clearly at first. Your brain will need to adapt to the visual changes, and you may get headaches as a result. Even just getting new frames can have an adaptation period. If the uncomfortable sensation persists, visit your optometrist. And now we'll do a live demo of buying these computer glasses from the sites just mentioned. Okay, so this first site we're on is warbyparker.com, and this is the Canadian site. So here, this is their homepage. If you ever have any questions, you can always contact them through a variety of methods like text, live chat, email, or just calling them. So let's say I needed new glasses, which is true. I could go on the site and I'll choose the staff pick. But if you look, there are a wide variety of styles for both males and females. So I'll just go with this Carlton style. So here you can select the different colors. So you want this Sequoia Tortoise or this Seaweed Crystal or just crystal color. And at the bottom, you'll see a better description of the frames and the lenses provided. So you can choose your prescription types, your lens types, and your lens materials. So let's say I wanted this pair in crystal. So I would click select lenses and purchase. Now this frame is only offered in a wide size, which is good if you have a wide or broad face. But if the frame size does not fit your own face, then you'll probably want to look at a different style or color. So I'll just select wide. And here you can see your different prescription types. So if you have a single vision prescription, a progressive prescription, or maybe you just want the glasses themselves and you just want the style, or maybe you want a reader's prescription. So I'll just choose single vision, which is what I have. And here you can select your lens type. So you can choose classic, which is just a normal lens, or you can choose the blue light filtering lens, which is kind of what we're looking at today. And then you can select your lens material, so polycarbonate. And then you can review your selection. And once you confirm that everything here is correct, you can just add to cart. And then the next step would be to sign in or sign up to warbyparker.com, and then you'll be able to check out. The other site that was mentioned was gunner.com. So here they offer a wide variety of blue light filtering glasses. So as you guys can see, they have a gaming line, a computer line, a youth line, but we'll just look at the computer line. So let's say I just wanted this one, the Berkeley one. It starts at $59.99. We can choose the frame color. And here you'll see that this company offers different variations of the filtering. So if you wanted optimal protection and performance, you would go with the 65 BLPF. So let's just say I want the black one, and then I want a prescription lens. And then I choose the amber lens tint. I'll then add to cart. And now it's in my cart. And then now I can apply coupon codes or whatever, and then I can just head to the checkout from here. And that concludes my live demo. Thank you.